Yeah, after sleeping for 2 seconds we print iteration I. Hapa kuna I na print the iteration I, so inaanza 1. Iteration 1, the lower bound is that, upper bound is that, the midpoint is that, the value, the fx at that point is that one, fx medium. Then we check if the fa times fb tunapata kama ziko na different sign, meaning we change, okay, we change b and a accordingly. Refer to your Wikipedia, the bisection algorithm, the pseudocode C, the explanation. Then if b and a hapa nimeangalia, if b and a the difference is very very small, then let me take that as our root. So let us use number of examples, na nitatumia I'll be using GeoGebra Classic. This is a graphing calculator, for plotting, na ni mzuri actually. You can export your graph. After umeweka graph, unaweza export graph yako kwa LaTeX ama kwa PDF. Very good. So I want to weka hii function. Nitaanza na hii ya chini, 3x cubed. So 3 times x cubed minus 2 times x squared plus 4 times x power 4. Okay, let me choose the right a and b, because at 0 and 1 we're not getting the answer. Let me choose between 0.4 and 0.5. Yeah, so we have negative and positive, so the root is in between those. Acha tuone the root inatupea 0.453. so if I click this one, kiangalia naona the root inatupea 0. in -1, 0.42533905, actually exactly the same. So the next function I want to use it as an example ni this graph. Let me zoom out. Okay, it's x squared minus 2 times x